In this lecture, we are going to learn about the remainder theorem. We have two examples. Let's take a look at the first one. For the first example, we have a polynomial divided by another polynomial. What we want to do is figure out, if we were to divide this, does it have a remainder? And if it does, what is it? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at this polynomial right here, x minus 2. Notice that it says minus 2, so that means negative 2. Well, because it says a negative, we're going to turn that into a positive 2. Then we are going to plug that in to every x value that you see. So we're going to have 2 to the 4th minus 8 times 2 to the 3rd plus 10 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 4. Now let's simplify. 2 to the 4th power is going to be 16 minus 8 times 2 to the 3rd, which is 8, plus 10 times 4 plus 4 plus 4. Next we have 16 minus 64 plus 40 plus 4 plus 4. If I type all of this into the calculator, I get 0. That means that if I were to take this first polynomial and divide it by x minus 2, there is no remainder and x minus 2 goes into that polynomial evenly. Now let's take a look at the second one. We have this polynomial divided by x plus 5. Because this says x plus 5, we are going to turn that into a negative. And then we're going to take that negative 5 and plug it in to everywhere that you see an x. So I have negative 5 to the 4th power plus 6 times negative 5 to the 3rd power plus 11 times negative 5 squared plus 29 times negative 5 minus 13. So now you'll need to grab your calculators to simplify all this. So negative 5 to the 4th power is 625 plus 6 times 125, negative 125, plus 11 times 25 plus 29 times negative 5 minus 13. Now to multiply all this. First I have 625, then I have minus 750 plus 275 minus 145 minus 13. Now when I type this all into the calculator, I get negative 8. That means my remainder is negative 8, and x plus 5 does not go into that first polynomial evenly.